Hello children, today I am going to teach you counting. Now here some pictures are here. Now here some oranges. We'll see how many oranges are here. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many oranges are here? 5 oranges. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. Okay. Now we see here some flowers. We see how many flowers are here. Now count 1, 2. How many flowers are here? 2 flowers. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 flowers. We see here. Now look. Here. How many suns? Here. Only one. One sun. One. One. Okay. How many sun here? How many suns? One. One. Okay. Now we'll go to the other one. Here. Some flowers are here. We'll count and see how many flowers are here. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers? 6. We'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. 6 flowers. Now we'll see here. What are these? Here, cherries. We'll see how many cherries are here. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cherries are here? 7 cherries. How many cherries? 7 cherries. We'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cherries? 7 cherries. Okay. Now the next one. Here. Some balls here. What are these? Balls. How many balls are here? We'll see. We have to count and tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balls are here? 7 balls. Earlier lesson, 7 cherries. Now here, 7 balls. 7 balls. Now, we'll go to the next one. How many balls here? Right? We'll see. Count and tell. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. How many balls? 4 balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all children. Now, today we count pictures. Right? Now, thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.